I remember Mr. Paradise. This part is how to make money with us in the ongoing training. How to make money with us in the ongoing training. Very simple. Like our previous students, you have seen our authenticity. You know what we can do and what we are capable of doing. So it's very easier for you. You can tell your friend when you seen our advert date, then tell your friends, 10 people you know you have benefited, let them benefit as well. So anybody you refer to the training, you will get 20% of whatever they pay. Our training fee is 50,000 naira. That means you are getting 10,000 naira on each person you refer to the training. Likewise, our prospective student, as well as you have seen the training and you are coming, you can tell your friend, family that let's go and acquire this skill together. And each person you bring, on each person you bring as well, you will get 10,000 naira on each person. Imagine if you don't even have your training fee, you can hustle to bring 4 to 5 persons. The commission you will get from them will cover your own training fee. So that's how to make money from this our ongoing training, and the money, your commission will be given to you immediately. But all the names and phone number of the people you are bringing must be sent to me before the training day, at least a day before the training day, to claim your commission. Thank you.